Tonight, Augusta Mayor-elect Garnett Johnson hosted Food Truck Family Friday at his campaign headquarters in Hephzibah. I spoke with him about why he's hosting these events.
Since the campaign, we've done these on a weekly basis. Now that we're elected, we want to continue them on a monthly basis, just to engage the people that perhaps did not support me, does not know much about who I am or what my platform is. I want to invite them to come out to learn more about me, to learn about what our visions are for not only South Augusta, but for the city.
Mayor-elect Johnson says it's important to him that the event happens in South Augusta.
One of the #1 complaints I heard among the citizens that live in South Augusta was that there's not a lot of food choices and food options. There's not a lot of community engagement.
This is great. Giving back and seeing there's more stuff for our neighborhoods, so this is great.
The event features a DJ, a bouncy house, and food trucks. Trinell Owens, who owns Flavors of Philly, says the event is a great way to get exposure for his business.
I got a phone call from someone from the rec center asking me would I want to join this event. And I said, yeah, I'll join the event because I was looking for something to be able to showcase my truck. It's been pretty hard trying to showcase the truck around this area.
Food Truck Family Friday will happen the third Friday of every month. The location will be different each time, but it will always be in South Augusta.
It's just been a supporter, seeing someone that wants to have their campaign, station here in Hephzibah. So this was great.
Community engagement, no more than fellowship. Come out, grab something to eat, sit around for a minute, say hello, learn more about me. Maybe I get an opportunity to learn about you and what your ideas about how we can move Augusta forward, and that's what it's all about, just engaging the community.
The next one is happening August 19th, and Mayor-elect Johnson will take office in January.